Vercel just got hacked. If you ever hosted a web app on Vercel or used Next.js, Turbo Repo, or AI SDK, you need to watch this right now because this is not just a story about one company getting breached. This is a story about how one employee downloading a video game cheat caused a chain reaction that reached one of the most trusted platforms in web development. And the data is now being sold on the dark web for $2 million. Here is exactly what happened and what you need to know about it. On April 19th, 2026, just days ago, Vercel announced it was breached via a third party called Context AI, which was also breached. Following the breach, threat actors posted the leaked Vercel database for sale at 2 million US dollars on BreachForums, a well-known hacker forum used to buy and sell stolen data. $2 million. Vercel's internal database sitting on dark web right now. But here is what makes this story genuinely terrifying. Vercel did not just get hacked because they had weak security. They got hacked because of a certain chain reaction that started somewhere nobody expected. It started with a game cheat. Here is how the entire breach unfolded in 4 steps. On the step 1, an employee of Context AI downloaded a game exploits, resulting in device compromise and credential exposure. Data extracted from the compromised machine included Google Workspace credentials and login details for multiple applications. One bad download, malware called Luma Stealer installed silently, Google credentials stolen. Context AI had Chrome extension that gave users the ability to search their Google Drives. Users logging in granted the app full read access to all of their Google Drive files. A Vercel employee had used this extension with their Vercel Enterprise Google account. Once Context AI was compromised, the attackers inherited that access token and pivoted straight into Vercel's internal development. Once inside Vercel, the attackers accessed the environment variables that were not marked as sensitive and was not encrypted at rest. The attackers enumerated these variables, expanded accesses, and eventually claimed to have obtained a Vercel database access key, as well as portions of source code. One game cheat, one Chrome extension, one unencrypted environment variable, 4 steps to a $2 million breach. This is a supply chain attack, and it is one of the hardest attack types to defend against because the vulnerability is not in your code, it's in the tools you trust. Here is where this gets much bigger than just Vercel. While Vercel stated that their software remained safe, the full impact remains unknown. Threat actors getting access to their internal database might imply that other assets were compromised, including API keys, GitHub tokens, and NPM accounts. Popular packages maintained by Vercel, such as Next.js, Turbopack, and the AI SDK, should be used cautiously and pinned to specific versions. Next.js, the most popular React firmware in the world, used by millions of web applications globally, possibly even yours. If a threat actor gains access to the NPM account that publishes Next.js, they can push a malicious update. Every developer who runs a package update that day pulls the compromised version into their application. This is not theoretical. This is a nightmare scenario that every security researcher warns about. And right now, we do not fully know what the attacker has accessed. 4 things to do right now. Open Chrome, go to your Chrome extensions and search for Context AI if you have installed it. Extensions ID is in the description. If there is the extension available, please remove it immediately. The second one is go to myaccount.google.com/connections. Find Context AI, revoke access immediately. The third one is if you are a Vercel customer, rotate your keys immediately. Enable two-factor authentication. Treat Vercel connected databases and API keys as compromised. The fourth one is pin your NPM package versions. In your package.json, pin next.js and the Vercel packages to your current exact version. Stop automatic updates until this is fully resolved. Pause the video, do these 4 things, and then come back and watch it. The Vercel breach did not start with a sophisticated hacker. It started with one person downloading a game cheat, rotating keys, enabling two-factor authentication, and auditing even your third-party connection has moved from being a recommendation to a survival tactics in 2026. Every AI tool you connect to your Google account, every Chrome extension you install, every authentication token you grant attack vector. Audit them today. Are you hosted on Vercel right now? Have you already done these checks? Drop your experience in the comments. I read every single one. Subscribe for more stories like this every week. See you in the next one.